Wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spit water at bugs. The bugs fall into the water where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the ground. It has a hidden door made from silk and dirt. The spider hides in its tunnel to hunt. Beaver. Beavers chew through tree trunks. They make dams out of trees, mud, and stones. Chameleon. Chameleons change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon. Flying dragons have skin on their sides that open like wings. They jump and glide from tree to tree. Leaf insect. The body parts of leaf insects look just like leaves. These animals blend in well with real leaves on trees. Leaf-rolling weevil. The female leaf-rolling weevil rolls a leaf into a cone. She lays her eggs inside the cone. The leaf hides and protects her eggs. Praying mantis. The praying mantis holds its front legs in a praying position. A mantis has 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Mole. Moles dig tunnels to find and eat worms. These animals have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy parts help them catch food and hide from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. They are all wonders of nature.